is the start point. Mount Perry Summit Trail. Butterflies. Nicely manicured, slashed entry.
This is beautiful.
And then so far it's been gradual climb, pretty overgrown, but still nice. Climbing. You are here. And it's a big spider. And the gate's over there. Now we're on the trail. Oh, that was a bit of a slog, but it's good now. Going up some rocks now, up a few boulders. Pathway's changed a bit, actually. Up there or down here? Hang on. Down this way. Could be. Clouds. Probably 3/4 of the way up. So now we're walking across a ridge line, and I think then we start another little zigzaggy climb. What's really cool on this trail, all the trees have got these names on them. It's really cool. Not seen that. It's a council thing, the Gingin local council. So this is quite nice here. The terrain's changed again. Just cruising along. Tree. It's been raining a little bit. Up in the clouds. Still going across this ridge line. It's been lovely, actually. This is a really good hike. Got a bit of everything. Apparently the views from the top are awesome. However, it's a bit of a whiteout today, so we'll see how we go. But it's cool, these signs on all these trees. Excellent. Prickly pine here. There we go. Yeah, nice. Oh, we had one of these before, scrub wilga. That's pretty cool. You don't go on many hikes these days where the trees have got all the names of what they are. There's so many. It's awesome. Little shelter. Comes up to a road. So the road goes off down there. And now we're going up this fire trail. And then the peak is at the top of that, winds around to the right. So we're just debating that we could come up the fire trail, and then we walked out of there. There's someone's boots here. Alright, we're coming up this fire trail to the summit. A little bit of rain and wind. Sounds like a waterfall. It's really cool. We're just saying, must be a waterfall up here. steep bit. Almost at the summit, we're nearly there. Alrighty, got a tower. I think it's here. So that was a pretty good hike to a really nice peak. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you on the next one. Got a little bit of a walk down now, just going across this ridge line and make the descent to the car park.